Sir, how are you?
This man say he's a spiritual man and he's saying you have to see you before leaving in the morning. You know?
I'll see you first.
Yeah, man.
I wanted to see you again. I wanted to see where you live.
Yeah, man.
How you doing?
Man. Yeah, man. Good, man.
Nice to see you, man.
Respect, you know. I
Yeah, man. You love the interview, man.
Yes.
Boy, intelligent, man.
I just say to myself, say, I wonder if me do good. I want to perform good and
You have to wonder that.
it work out good.
Yeah, I love your house too, man.
Yeah, I'm a grandfather, little house for ancient days. And this is where I live.
Nick, right that day, I think either
Come in.
the day or before
Yeah.
or after we rode by your house, I was like, oh my God, I got to come over and see you and you got to give me a tour. This place is so cool.
Yes.
Character, man. Look at that that is awesome.
And I'm a chicken, let me have living at that house there, you know.
Really?
Yeah, because I want fix it up and set it over.
Yes.
So I put my chicken there, yeah.
Like
so I don't want nobody come rent it and live the night and ruin it.
No.
So the chicken in there for your time and then take it down.
Preserve the culture.
So I'm ready now, me pull off all the board them no good and put them back. And you were telling me about the guy who used the clear coat and the house top.
Oh,
This will be a perfect thing. The clear coat and
yes.
because these zinc are older than me and you. I can't come to this house. And I'm almost 60.
You know what you want to do is there's various shines. Like you can get dull or shiny.
Yes.
You should get a sample.
Yes, emotion.
You should get like a sample and do a shiny one and a dull one.
And see what one work.
Which one you like better,
Yeah.
Because I had a restaurant and we had a brick wall and I put varnish on the bricks. Yeah, it was cool. Because like, you know how bricks like shoot off like little rocks and stuff? You don't want that in the restaurant, you know? So we like seal
whatever
them.
you use clear coat, now clear coat soak right into it.
Yeah.
You know,
It was actually a Jamaican guy who told me to do it.
Yes, and he preserve it.
And I was like, really? Okay, let's try it. And I tried it and I really liked it.
This is where I live,
this is nice too. So you don't, that's your chicken coop?
Yeah, I'm use it.
Oh, that's your house. I get it, okay.
So we just put this, we just make chicken live
That's
in
a pretty cool chicken house.
Yeah, it's my grandfather's
That's chicken house. Oh, okay.
Always in this house.
I love that.
Yes. But because I don't want to rent it out to anyone, I just put my chicken them in there. I don't want to rent it them. I was just about to feed them. I had a little bit of feeding left. I was just about to feed them. Yeah.
We figured Sunday night's a perfect time to get you.
And I just come here.
Really?
Yeah, I just come here not long ago. You know. I'm working on this piece of work here. I'm working on this video here. It's supposed to, I don't really, it's lignum vitae. It's an eagle and a snake.
Oh, it's an eagle eating a snake.
Yeah. Or it's a hawk or something, but you know, we want those gigantic bird that loves snake. Now this stuff in shit.
Is that a special wood?
Lignum vitae. So you see, it turns green until it turns dark green.
Even when you carve it, it still turns green.
It's still turning green until it really come dark green, like in here.
Yeah, I can see. It's like
shiny.
moss.
Yes. So see different color it, and that's it. The breeze blow on it and see give it the green color. You see?
Yeah.
But when the breeze take it, you know.
It's a cool color too.
Yes. It's a national wood. You know, Jamaican habitat, but it's a preserved wood that they don't want to be destroyed, this tree. So they don't want to cut it green.
So is it a big tree or is it just a normal looking tree?
Normal looking tree. It grow big, it grow this big.
When it's old?
Yeah, when it's old. But that take about 200-300 years. You know. But this is where I live.
So this is your carving area right here?
Right here.
Yeah.
This is my carving area right here. And sometimes I carve over the bush when the dust gets heavy. You know. But
when the what gets heavy?
When the dust.
Why is there dust?
Like stone.
Oh, when you're doing your stonework, right? You want to get away from your house.
Yeah, and go over.
You don't. You don't poop where you sleep.
But you don't want no bigger spot than this to carve. Right here, right against the house here. This is where you want to work. You know.
Yeah, it's nice.
So all this is spear dust. It's spear dust from this growing right up. Long time working right here. Long time.
Yeah.
So this full up of dust. You can see pack up. So all that wood in there is to carve. You know.
So you put this shed together how long ago, you think?
Quite a while. Because all this rotten away, it won't tear down, it won't fall down because this catch it. But you see everything gone.
So your dad built this house.
My grandfather.
Wow, your grandfather
Yeah,
built
my
that
grandfather
house.
built this house.
Okay.
And his children, he have 9 children. And they're raised in this house.
Wow.
You know. Most of them die out now. They get old and die out, you know. So
9 children
yeah.
in that house.
And I'm living here. I'm not leaving Jamaica, going anywhere to live again.
So everybody was outside all the time except night.
Night.
Yep.
Everybody go to work. Till everybody go to England. They take all their children in England in the 50s. Yeah. And early 60s. Everybody gone to England to live when they have this repatriation from Jamaica to England. My grandfather was one of them that go with all his children and wife and children. Yeah, so they die out. You know, I'm getting old now. So, but I'm not leaving Jamaica. I love it here. It's perfect.
I love it here too.
Yeah, it's perfect in Jamaica. Trust me. But this is our little community, so we are barrier around hill. Yeah, man, you can pick lime if you want. Yeah, that's my chicken coop with my chicken there.
Yeah, I saw him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They want to go in, then come out at daytime and go in by then. Go in when they're ready.
Nice.
Yeah.
Everything's great in Jamaica except the roads, right?
The road. Yeah. We need some good road.
Oh, this is where you sit and chill out?
Oh God, sometimes you need to sit down.
Yeah.
And just easy. Yeah. But I'm going to build a new house and make this into a gallery. So
Yeah.
Negril can have a gallery. So tourists can have somewhere near to go to in Negril. And until they go to Moreland where we have that big sculpture garden. But as an artist, I need my own gallery. So this building is gonna be perfect for a gallery. So I'm gonna build it back come up on this hill and then perfect place for tourists to buy small art.
So do you have pieces in there?
No, I don't have any pieces in there.
Okay.
No, I don't have no pieces. Every pieces I have since I come on this job, I sell them, and, you know, and so on.
Wow, so you don't even keep
no
anything?
no, I can't keep anything.
Huh.
Tourists come want it, Jamaican come want it. I can't keep anything. See, I'm working on this piece. I'm working on that piece, and
Yep.
take early morning before I go to work and work on it. I want to finish this piece, you know, maybe in a couple of days. But boy, you know,
Is the wood tough?
wood tough.
Really?
Lignum very tough.
Compared to mahogany?
Compared to mahogany is soft.
Yeah.
Compared to that.
No dancing in that one?
No man, that one is tough man.
So where are your tools?
In my car.
Yeah.
I have every tool in my car and I have tools.
So you got all your
My
power
storeroom,
tools?
I have all different type of old tool and tool in that storeroom in the house
Yeah,
here.
that's like your
Yeah.
rubbish room.
Yeah, we have put tools and and stuff into.
Catch-all, we
Yes.
call it.
Yes.
I don't know if you guys
something, I
do.
go in there and get it and come, you know. But I have parts and I have tool in there and so. But I don't have any big heavy engine. I just have normal tool that use brush. So when the brush done, carbon brush done, you go and buy more.
But
Simple
you got your grinders and
yeah, in my car and
Okay.
everything. I have my tool pan and everything in my car.
so
I
you have to go. You don't leave them up there.
No. I don't leave my tool. I have my wire,
There's-
I have everything.
yeah, you don't
my
wanna-
job card, everything. I don't leave no tool. I carry every tool with me everywhere I going. I went and checked a friend today, and all my tool was in my car box still. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't take them out. You know. But you come when I don't have any work here. First time I used to have like 50, 60 pieces of work here when tourists come and display them around the yard and so.
Yeah.
You know, but that gone now, man. You know.
It's all right.
Yeah.
This is cool enough. This is really cool.
This little community, Mount Airy, it's a small community, but the people that live far away from one another at certain place in my community. Nice place to live.
You know what's cool is the grass instead of dirt, right? Gives it a really cool look.
And this grass easy to catch.
Yeah?
I see it go through the bush. You go right through the bush. Can't see it go right. You go and kill out all every bush. You go kill all them. Yeah. Go kill everything. And take over the whole place.
So where you cook inside and
Yeah, I cook inside my kitchen.
do you eat like the same thing all the time?
No.
No? I do.
Sometimes I like chicken, you know. And sometimes I cook rice and chicken. Sometimes I cook peas.
So aren't you tired though when you come home from work? You cook every night?
Just me, I'm tired sometimes until I can't believe it. But when you start to cook, you start to smell the food and you start to sleep. You know?
So you come home and then you do rice and peas?
No, I do like rice.
Like a big batch?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
And so on, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, like today Sunday now, I wasn't here today, I go and look for my friend. I have a friend who's sick and I go and look for the guy. And I'm going to cook tonight and eat. Because if I don't eat a hot meal in the night, I can't sleep.
Oh, really?
No. When you want to sleep good, you have a hot meal before you sleep.
Listen up, people.
And then you get a good sleep. Trust me, when you start to eat the hot food, yeah, man.
Sleep, yeah.
You have
You
to
know,
sleep.
it's only certain man back there that can go and see a nata plant.
Nata. Enough people don't know what nata. They don't know nata.
I don't know. Let me say,
don't
you
know
have to be from a different level of vibration.
You know nata?
Hmm?
You know nata plant? You know nata? A good for coloring. A flavoring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like them, I know how we can
You can't broke off that.
just broke off it.
Okay.
And then cook with the seed them in there.
Yeah, when me cook sometimes, I put in the aisle.
Yeah?
So you get the aisle this golden color,
Golden
red
color.
golden color look.
Nice.
Yeah.
And
That's
then-
why see the tree load right now, everything go drop off it.
Oh yeah, sir.
And then say that medicinal purpose.
So we can get some more.
You can get some more. Look how nice, look how nice they hatch. Feel a little small when I hatch up on it.
Yeah, which one of them are nata plant?
See them on the root, the little round leaf, them on the root there.
Yeah?
They hatch up all about. See them right against the post and the WhatsApp root then there. Find WhatsApp tree that I root, that's what I stump.
Okay.
The post and hold it in the garage. That's all.
Okay, I them that.
Then little yellow leaf, they are them that.
All right, Fitzroy, say bye.
Yes. Okay. Bye bye and take care of yourself.